How many of you found this answer? The nature of awareness is peace. Yeah, you notice that, right? Yeah, that same peace, when it starts into action, the peace is gone, but there is some activity, some perception happening, and that same thing, when it stills, comes back to awareness. Now, did you notice there is no distinction, there is no borderline between the two?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
There is oneness. When we are looking at the object in the awareness, there's always oneness.
Yes, yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so the quality of awareness is peace. What else? Could you look closely at peace? What else? There's nothing there.
Space.
It's like a space. And what is the quality of that space? Calmness, okay. And it's pure. So this pure feeling, yeah, that purity, yeah, is almost like it's alive. Yeah. So now awareness in stage 2 is called consciousness. It's the same thing. It's not that there is any change. But earlier I could not see the peace. Yesterday I could not see the peace. I could not see the calm. I could not see the purity of this space. I could not see how alive it was. But now I see it. Get it? Yeah. It's just now the same thing is called consciousness. Why is it called consciousness? Yeah, because I see the purity, I see the liveliness, I see the peace and the calm. It's not like a dead nothingness. Did it give you the eerie feeling of a cemetery?
No.
It's not dead and nothingness like that.
I don't feel scared to get into that unknown territory.
Correct, correct. Got it? It's not different. Awareness is consciousness. Consciousness is awareness. Yeah? There is no separate entity, individual soul that we are looking for here. Simple awareness, that which always was there. Did you create something new today? Is something new born? It was always there. I was not aware of it. I was lost in the images. I was not looking at the background white screen. White screen was always there. Suddenly, I've become aware of that white screen. And I've realized the concept is not just background and foreground. It is actually like space all around. So, awareness in action is the mind. Mind at rest is awareness. Has this seamlessness become clear? Not in words, in experience, your own experience. Not because Ekta is saying so, but because you experienced it.